In the vast tapestry of human culture, tea holds a storied place, a beverage as rich in history as it is in flavor. Originating from ancient China, this simple concoction has traversed millennia, embedding itself in the mythology and history of diverse civilizations. According to legend, its discovery was serendipitous, leaves falling into boiling water, revealing a captivating brew. Documented use stretches back over thousands of years, beginning a journey from humble origins to global symbol of tranquility, health, and community. Tea's journey serves as a testament to its enduring cultural significance, mirroring society's evolution. Each leaf tells a story, each sip bridges continents and eras, inviting us on a journey through the ages. Today, we embark on the first chapter of understanding tea's profound impact on culture, health, and the fabric of human connection, exploring how it continues to shape our world, one cup at a time. Branching from its ancient origins, we explore the diversity of tea: green, black, oolong, and white teas, each defined by its unique processing. This intricate dance of flavors across the palate offers insight into the art and science of tea making, from the sun-kissed leaves of white tea to the robust depths of black tea. The partial oxidation of oolong creates a harmonious blend of light and bold, presenting a symphony of flavor for every preference. In this exploration, we uncover not just diverse flavors, but the rich cultural tapestry each cup weaves, revealing tea as a sip of history and tradition. Moving forward, this diversity unfolds into a spectrum of health benefits, deepening the connection between tradition, taste, and well-being. At the heart of our journey, we find tea as a tradition of wellness, health in a cup. Its rich flavors are matched by the bounty of antioxidants, acting as a shield against modern stresses and enhancing heart health. Beyond physical wellness, tea offers mental clarity, a cherished trait across cultures for centuries. This holistic impact, rooted in tradition, elevates each sip to more than mere refreshment. As we continue, the narrative extends to ceremonies, arts, and the social fabric tea weaves, embodying tales of community and culture. Stick with us as the story of tea, bridging past and future, continues to unfold. In the narrative of tea, we discover a profound medium for social interaction, art, and ceremony, integral to the fabric of diverse cultures. From the harmony of Japanese tea ceremonies to the tradition-steeped tea rooms of England, tea transcends mere beverage status. It's immortalized in literature and art, a muse for poets and thinkers, reflecting the soul of its people. Tea's social facets craft a tapestry of human connection, nurturing shared moments and mutual understanding. As we delve deeper, we uncover how tea not only forms part of history, but actively shapes our present. Our journey ahead will explore the evolving landscapes of tea cultivation and consumption, where tradition meets modern innovation. Looking ahead, the tea landscape is witnessing a significant transformation, guided by the rise of specialty teas and a mandate for sustainability. This journey from ancient gardens to artisanal blends and beyond to sustainable practices showcases tea as a beverage of environmental stewardship. As we continue to innovate, from tea-infused culinary creations to wellness-oriented brews, tea remains at the heart of mindful consumption. This global phenomenon, a blend of tradition and innovation, nourishes body and soul. Our exploration thus far is just the beginning, as the story of tea, rich with potential, is still brewing.